Hi you guys, unbox my first Blythe factory doll with me. So I don't really know the difference between Blythe and the real ones, but this is an original one. I have some original ones coming in the mail, so yeah, stay tuned for those. This is my first video on this channel. I had another channel called Syra Reads. I didn't really like that channel, but okay. This is my first video on this new channel, so let's get into this. I already opened it because I was way too excited. Okay, so it comes with a bunch of these like hand gestures. See, there's like one doing a peace sign, thumbs up, thumbs down, all of those fun gestures. Okay, so I really do not know what I want to name this girl. She didn't come with a name, so I don't know. Maybe I want to name her Cherry. My bed sheet, it's Cherry. So I might want to name her Cherry. So, right. Her hair is pink and like brownish blonde. Don't mind my hand. I was just using food coloring for the box. This is her hair right there. And she comes with different type of eyes. Let me just show you those. I just switched areas because that area wasn't so good. So you have to hold it to the side because then it'll like get messed up. So don't mind the background noise. So these ones, they're a little harder than like the original Blythe dolls. So she didn't come with clothes. This is her like original eye chips. She comes with pink eye chips. These gray eye chips going this way. And my all-time favorite, these blue eye chips. I'm just gonna do the normal eye chips. She is really pretty. I also I bought some clothes off of AliExpress, and yeah, I got this off of AliExpress. I have some dolls coming from the Junie Moon store, 2 coming from there, and then I bought some more. So yeah, this is really like, I love her lip color. It's like, and her makeup. In like another video, I'm gonna like make a video of showing like what you need to like maybe like make your own Blythe doll. I have a lot of stuff too. In time, I'm gonna learn how. So if you have any tips in the comments, please just let me know. And yeah, this is the factory doll Blythe doll. Bye, you guys.